Chances are that you have heard about fake meat. They're everywhere. So today, let's look into it. But before we start, I want you to know that 99% of what is in our food is really a mystery to us, even to the scientists. We've got 26,000 biochemicals in food, and we've only identified 188 of them. That's really nothing. So we have this knowledge gap in nutrition, or we like to call it the nutrition dark matter, which really makes it challenging to understand diet, nutrition, and its impact on health. Think of a simple molecule, beta carotene. It's in many plants, but in its natural form, it has about 400 different molecules that help the beta carotene activate. Now let's jump back into the fake meat or lab-grown meat. It sounds super futuristic, but it's grown from sometimes animal cell solutions inside a bioreactor, and this makes it ultra processed. What most people don't understand, that it can produce from 4 to 25 times more carbon dioxide than traditional farming practices. So for example, a kilo of meat might contribute to over 3,000 pounds of CO2 in the environment. So if you're looking at the environmental aspect, it doesn't work. Then it's super ultra processed. And what does ultra processed food bring us? It brings us obesity, cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and potentially even cancer or other kinds of brain-related disorders. Not to mention that every step of processing takes these risks and makes it double or triple. And then it also creates things like biowaste and toxic compounds that are not typically present while you're doing farming. And what really scares me is called gene-edited antibiotic-resistant bacteria such as E. coli. And these can really contribute to so many infections in our body, not just for now, but for years later when you're having this fake meat. So everyone's super happy about it, but I think you should pay attention. Look at the long-term effects on your health. Look at the contamination effects. Look at the antibiotic-resistant organisms. It really requires our attention. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who likes synthetic food and he or she is on fake meat. Follow me for more biohacking and health tips.